ETH, we start with the daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if we refer to our analysis, we have been within, we were expecting the price to give us one more drop similar to what we had here, because we have been looking for the running flat as what we expected we get. And we were expecting the price drop to 2690. The price almost near to what we expected. And no one see what's the next. Okay. As I mentioned, we have been looking for this one running flat as a first correction, as a 3 waves. This is the third I'm looking for. This is what we have been looking for. That's why when the price was exactly within here, I mentioned I'm expecting to get one more drop. Then if I get any opportunity for buy, I mentioned if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. And this is the targets we have been looking for. Because we mentioned with the breakout of this, we are looking to see whether the price can break this zone or not. Because with the breakout of this zone, then we have been looking for 5.5K. By the way, as what we expected, we get one more drop. The price almost near to the lowest, the support we have been looking for, because the first one is broke, second one also broken, and almost near to the third one. Because we mentioned if the price could break 2690, then we can expect the price tag the previous low, which is this one. If not, then we are looking for running flat. This is what we can get, and this is what we have been looking for. But what I want to highlight that is, we are looking for buy, and even as what we expected, the price near to 2690, simply we cannot take the trade. We have to look for the trade setup, and mostly we have to look for the trade setup either 4 or 1 hour chart. Simply we cannot take the trade, because the way it's moving, we can expect this one turn to extension and even continue and tag the lowest price, the previous low, which is this one. Okay, since most of the chart, even Bitcoin, they have a similar movement. Then by considering this one as a running flat, if we get a reversal trade setup based on lower time frame, then we can look for this. Okay, and I need to highlight that even if we get a trade setup for buy based on lower time frame, it doesn't mean the first trade setup we get, this is the one is going to give us a reversal. As I mentioned, we can expect this one turn to extension. Maybe we get the first one, it doesn't move, second one or third one, but finally one of this will move. If the price couldn't break 2690, but if there is a breakout, we need to consider how to look for the next trade. Then what I want to highlight that if we get any opportunity based on lower time frame, we should know how to manage it, and we should know where is our stop loss if it doesn't move in our direction. By the way, based on daily chart, we don't have any trade setup, and if we move to forward chart, because the way is moving, this is the reason that's why we can expect to see the extension. All right. By the way, if we put this low relative to the previous one, if we refer to the forward chart, we see it's losing the momentum. We have a divergence. That's why we are expecting to get the reversal. All right, and we prefer to see the reversal without the breakout of 2690. Then how to look for trade? At this point, we don't have any trade setup. Having a trader above here, above this top can be an option, but it's not a really good idea. Okay, for best option, if we want to look for trade, we get the one more drop with the breakout of the previous low. If the price couldn't break 2690, then any reversal from there, we will take it. This is the best we can look for. All right, but if anyone wants to look for buy from here, we prefer this one turn to deep correction. Then from there, we can take the trade. But at this point, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, all right, how we want to look at the trade? Can we consider this one as expanding as a first correction, third, and this is the one is going to give us one more drop? Since we don't have a divergence, we cannot really rely on that. Mostly we can expect this one as a 3-way internal. This is the flat for one move up. Then if the price continue from there, or we can get the one more drop. The reason I'm highlighting about this, are we going to have entry above here? For me, I'm not really interested, because simply the price can tag following by divergence, then give us one more drop. Then, as I mentioned, based on forward chart, if we want to look for buy, for me at this point, I don't see any trade setup. If I want to look for buy, I prefer to price tag the previous low, then any reversal from there, I will take it, similar to what we had here. Then from there, we consider this is the reversal as what we're expecting, as what we are looking based on daily chart, or it can turn to a short-term trade similar to what we had here. All right, this is the best option. But for me, if I want to look for buy from here, I prefer if the price consolidate here for longer time as what I draw there, then draw here, then from there, I will consider whether I should put my entry above here or not. But at this point, having entry above this, by considering this is the correction, I don't think is a really good idea. Okay, and since we are waiting for the price tag, the previous low, can we look for sell if we get a small flag here? We can look for sell as a short term, but it depends on traders. For me, I'm looking for buy, I'm not looking for sell. Then, as I mentioned, I'm looking for buy, but at this point, I don't see any, we don't have a really good trade setup, and we have to wait. Either we get one more drop, the price tag 2690. From there, we consider whether there is a breakout or reversal. If we get a reversal, we can look for buy, or this one give us a deeper correction. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.